The 2nd Battalion, 14th Infantry Regiment, both of the 2nd Brigade Combat Team, assisted Iraqi Federal Police in moving T-wall barriers from Joint Security Station Loyalty to polling site locations in Baghdad, Al-Jadida. The purpose is to secure election sites and help Iraqi civilians feel safe enough to go out and vote.
It feels good to finally be able to help the Iraqi government and the Iraqi police in securing these areas. We're working with federal police. They're escorting us to the polling locations, making sure that the barriers go in the right spots, making sure that they have command and control over certain amounts of that. This is mainly an Iraqi effort. We're just here to support them.
The actual movement had to take place at night due to the recent security agreement limiting U.S. military action inside the city. Together, Iraqi police and U.S. Army personnel placed the barriers at polling sites, mainly schools in the area, in preparation for upcoming elections in early 2010.
Everything we do on a daily basis is partnered with the Iraqis in the league. It's been a great working relationship. It's incredible improvement that's taken place in a very, very short time, and we'll continue this partnership until we leave.
For the 2nd Brigade Combat Team, I'm Specialist Rebecca Schwab.